How to reverse a video on Snapchat. If you begin creating a Snapchat and want to reverse the video for a fun effect, it's actually pretty simple to do so. You can first begin by recording your Snapchat. Unfortunately, this reverse option is only available for videos that are recorded directly in Snapchat, and you can't do it with a video that you upload. Once you're ready to begin filming, just hold down the record button. And you then have your video recorded. To then reverse the video, you'll need to add an additional filter. You can do this by swiping left on your screen. If you don't have your filters already enabled, you can select Enable Filters. Once your filters are enabled, swipe left again on your screen, and you can then swipe through the various filters available. As you can see, there's filters for different color options. You can also affect the speed of the video if you want to slow it down or speed it up. And finally, we have a reverse option, which looks like a rewind button. This reverses the entire video so that it plays from the end to the beginning. You can then continue editing your Snapchat by adding text, markings, various stickers, and more. If you wanted to add any additional filters, you can select the Stack Filters button at the bottom of your icons on the right-hand side of your screen. And then you can swipe again to add an additional filter on top of your rewind filter. And that's how to rewind a video on Snapchat. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.